I brought a few things out to put in the compost pile, and just out here browsing around, looking at things. And as I'm browsing around, of course, I'm looking over here at the garden that we tilled up and put corn and sunflower seeds in. We've had several different times of rain and everything, but I think the birds and the deer and the squirrels and whatever else comes through may have gotten all of our corn and sunflower seeds. So, oh well, we'll have to kind of redo it. I wasn't trying to meet any timeline goal or anything like that. I was just doing a food plot for the animals, and apparently they liked it. But another thing I found as I'm sitting here looking around, that and that, there's a couple more out there. I'm not really sure, but I'm thinking these might be chestnuts. I don't know. We got a few different trees here. That was a little mushy, but we got a few different little trees here. We got these things that fall to the ground, and there's one. Looks like it's kind of out of its green stuff. I can't really tell. It's almost, I can't even put my thumb through it, but it seems like they're almost like an odd pecan, but it's not a pecan. It's a, I'm believing, a chestnut. So, anybody out there know what these things are? Yeah, just give me a quick comment down there. Let me know. Kenneth did get a book in. He had ordered a book, and that book was its own identifying trees. But you see these leaves here. You see that big trunk right there going up. That tree right there. It's a big tall tree, and I do see, if you look real close up in here, you can see a few of those, what I think are chestnuts in there. And we probably have tons of them that'll drop out here. So I'm gonna have to start cleaning this up and mowing it. That way, later on, whenever we have more chestnuts or walnuts or whatever else wants to fall in this area, then we can easily come out here and find them and pick them up. But we've gone around and we've identified some trees, and we've identified some shrubs, bushes, vines, other odds and ends. And anyway, we're hoping that we can identify everything and be able to have a food source. Not just for the animals, but for ourselves as well, so that we can enjoy life and not be stressed. All right, I got to get busy and get back to work.